In this video, I will show you how to download, install, and play Solo Leveling Arise on your PC. Firstly, we go to Google and search for Solo Leveling Arise. Let's click on first official website link. Scroll down a bit, and you see you need to be pre-registered and only setup is Ready Not Real installation. To fix this problem, we need VPN solution, because it's now only available in only few countries. So, for NPV I am using NordVPN. It is one of the best VPN solutions right now. I will leave link to NordVPN with the best available deal in description and comments. You can also use any free VPN, but Nord is faster and more reliable in my experience. When I set up VPN to Canada and reload browser, now you can see Download Now button. Click on PC version button. When you will click on Download Now, downloading process will start. I can't show next steps because this game only works on Windows and I am using Mac. But in this page, you can see all the instructions how to download and install PC version. At the bottom of the page, you can see minimum and recommended PC specifications. So, just follow instruction on the page and you should be good. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.